How hard does that song go, Jay? Why would it drive-through? If you don't like it, you can kiss my ass with a lit song and sing along. But that's on the words of the song. We just don't like that. Homie, I'll be nicer to when you went off the man's grounds and the human sword starts swimming. Now I won't go so I won't go long, so the man needs to want the bums over there. It's like apples to oranges, peaches and plums. Yeah, bananas, pussy, come off the face and grab my pants. But I swear, you try to hit me, I'll slaughter you. I put that on everything, like every bullet, I ought to shoot. The last thing you want to do is have me spit out a line and say I was writing this, and I thought of you, so I don't. Wait, we were at the fucking drive-thru. Turn it down.
12:37.
Yeah, right here. Oh, we wanted to add one more thing, actually.
The Angus bacon and cheese plate, please.
No, the Angus bacon and cheese plain. Or, is that plain? She's like, fuck you guys again.
Alright, but yeah, I want to...
Angus bacon plain?
Did you just watch that? I don't know. I really don't know. You good, Jay?
Yeah, this song goes fucking stupid hard.
We're done.
No, hey!
We're done.
Hey!
What?
We ain't done, nigga.
We put it apart. I'm Dee tonight. How is this guy isn't?
You never asked me how my day was. I'm gonna tell you.
I think the manager's here. Hold on, she's about to fire on us. Thank you. Jay!
You can't be freaking turning it off like that because it starts all over.
Serious?
Dude.
Oh, you mad? Yeah, I'm mad, Jay? Jay, relax. I'm about to kick you out of your own car. Jay, you're crazy.